Your prep and primer prior to your workout for Friday, guys, we've just got some build-up runs. You're just going to do 6 total of 50-meter runs. Your first one is going to be much slower than your last one, so we're gradually building up in speed for each and every one of these runs this day. When we do our running, I want you to focus on a few things like what we've done in our drills. I want you to think about using your hamstrings and pulling your heel up towards your butt as you run. I want you to think about being nice and tall on the toes and lead with your hips. We don't want to run hunched over. This isn't a good position. So lead with your hips. Your heel is going to try and touch your butt, and we're going to try and land with our foot underneath our hips instead of out in front. We don't want to get into this position where we heel strike. We want to land with our foot underneath our hip, landing on our ball of our foot or midfoot, and then I'm going to pull back up. So I want you to really focus on this action today for our running, not this, and especially not this. So if you get shin splints, sore back, or get out of breath really quickly, it simply comes down to the efficiency of your running. So even today, grab your phone, set it down and watch yourself run. Are you doing this? Are you doing this and this? Or are you just doing one or the other? It makes a massive difference if we can run correctly. So that is your build-ups, 6 by 50 meters or thereabouts. Walk back, do any extra stretching you need to before you get into the work. When we get into the work today, you've got 8 sets of 30 seconds max distance running. Ideally, a good goal to set is about 200 meters. It's great if you can get that. If you can't, it doesn't matter. Get as far as you can and try and beat your score every single time. So 3, 2, 1, go. Run as far as you can in 30 seconds. Once you get to the end of your 30 seconds, you've got 3 minutes rest before your next attempt. So plenty of time to rest, recover, write down your distance each time. I do suggest if you've got a stopwatch or a watch or something like that that can actually time, or even run with your phone on a timer if that's an option for you. Sprint as far as you can, make sure it beeps or your phone alarms that for your 30 seconds. Take note of where your distance is, walk back to your phone or a bit of paper, write down how far it was, and then Wodify is going to ask you for 8 lots of distance today. Again, focus on those same running drills. Lead with your hips, tall chest, feet lands underneath your hips, not way out in front, and definitely not on those heels. So good luck with that one, guys. Hit it hard, hit it fast.